to all my students. I am Miss Neha Patnaik, Physics Lab Assistant in your GP Jajpur. Today we will discuss our physics experiment. Before we start our experiment, all you have to know some steps by using which you can perform your experiment. Here is your some steps. First is aim of the experiment. Which experiment you perform, that is your aim of the experiment. Next is your apparatus required. By which instrument you can perform your experiment, that is your apparatus required. Next is your theory. Theory divided into two parts. First is your working formula. Next is your description part. Working formula, by which formula you can determine your experiment, that is working formula. Next is your description part. Third is your procedure, which you don't have need to write, only you can go through it. Next is your observation table. Make tabulations for taking your readings. Next is your calculation. Which reading you got from your observation table, put it down on your working formula and get the value. Next is your conclusion part. In conclusion part, whatever result is obtained from the above experiment, it should be recorded on it. Okay, here is some steps which we can follow in all the experiments. Let's start the experiment. First is aim of the experiment. To find the volume of a solid cylinder by using vernier calipers. आमे गोटे solid cylinder volume measure करिबा by using which instrument, that is vernier caliper. Why this instrument is to be called as vernier caliper? Because the scientist Vernier invent this instrument. That's why this instrument is to be called as vernier calipers. Next is apparatus required. There are three apparatus required for this instrument. First is slide caliper, second is solid cylinder, third is instrument box. First is slide caliper. Here is the diagram of slide caliper. As you can see, here is your slide caliper. This part of slide caliper is to be called as main scale. This to be called as vernier scale. This part is to be called as lower jaw. This is upper jaw. This is deck blade and this is adjustment knob, which we will discuss later. Next is your solid cylinder. As you can see the 3D picture solid cylinder. This part of solid cylinder is called the diameter of the solid cylinder. ताले आमे solid cylinder रा upper part जो आमे देखुचंदी circular part, as you know a circle has its diameter. So this solid cylinder has two surfaces, lower surface and upper surface. Upper surface has the diameter denoted as symbol D, and here is the height of the solid cylinder. So how to determine the volume of this solid cylinder? By using this formula V is equal to pi d square h by 4, we can determine the volume of a solid cylinder. Let's know about our instruments. Here is your instrument slide caliper and this is your solid cylinder. By using this instrument slide caliper or vernier caliper, we can find out the volume of a solid cylinder by using vernier caliper. Okay, here is your vernier caliper. This part is called main scale of the vernier caliper. this scale is to be called as main scale, and this scale is to be called as vernier scale. This part is lower jaw, this part is upper jaw, and this is your adjusting knob. This is your adjusting knob, and this is called as depth blade. This is called as depth blade. Okay, by using this instrument we can find the volume of a solid cylinder. Then why we use this instrument? Why we cannot use the normal scale or meter a centimeter scale? Because by using this instrument we can measure less than 0.1 centimeter. How many divisions are there in your vernier scale? Now we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 10 divisions are there in your vernier scale. As you can see. Next is your theory. First is working formula. As already I said, volume of a solid cylinder V is equal to pi d square h by 4. D कौन ना D is the diameter of the solid cylinder. ताले हमें से cylinder रो मोटे कौन केमिति बाहर करिबा diameter of the solid cylinder. H is the height of the solid cylinder, and the value of pi is 3.141. How to determine the D? It has a formula, that is MSR plus VSR. MSR is denoted as main scale reading and VSR is vernier scale reading. As I saw the main scale and vernier scale, one main scale reading is equal to 0.1 centimeter, because 1 MSR means main scale ro gotte division no value kete, तो 0.1 centimeter. VSR vernier scale reading. Vernier scale reading हमें केमती measure करिबा LC into VC, that is LC least count and VC is the vernier coincidence. What is LC? Let's know what is LC and what is VC. LC is least count, least measurement of an instrument. गोटे instrument रो सबुठारु कम आमे केते measure करि परिबा, that is your least count. Least count is equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. Then next is your VC. What is VC? VC is the vernier coincidence. The division of vernier scale coinciding with any division of the main scale, that should be called as vernier coincidence. Vernier scale ला जे कोनोसी division main scale ला को division सहित coincide करूची, को division सहित straight line show करूची, that should be called as vernier coincidence. Okay. Before we proceed our experiment, we have to know the instrumental errors. What should instrumental errors? It should be called as zero errors. Later we discuss the what is zero error. First we have to find the least count. Let 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD. 1 VSD is equal to 9 by 10 MSD. Then least count value रे हमें put करिबा कौन 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Then 1 MSD, as you see, 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, that is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. 1 main scale division, 1 vernier scale division ना value हमें put करिबा 9 by 10 MSD. Then MSD common नहीं जिबा 1 by 10 into MSD. 1 by 10 is 0.1, 0.1 into 0.1, that is 0.01 centimeter. So, we found the least count of the slide caliper is 0.01 centimeter. Then next, we found the zero error. What is zero error? Zero error is a instrumental error. If we got an instrumental error, then we cannot proceed the experiment. First of all, we have to calculate the zero error, then we proceed. Okay. First, we have to know what is zero error. There are three types of zero error. First is your no zero error. Second is your positive zero error. And third is your negative zero error. First is your no zero error. When zero of vernier scale coincide with zero of main scale, that is no zero error. Second is positive zero error. Zero of vernier scale lies to the right of main scale, that is positive zero error. Negative zero error. Zero of vernier scale lies to the left of the main scale. The vernier scale कौन मेन स्केल जदि राइट साइड को रहिबो ताले पॉजिटिव जीरो एरर बाहरिबो, जदि लेफ्ट साइड को रहिबो ताले नेगेटिव जीरो एरर बाहरिबो. सो आमे जदि पॉजिटिव जीरो एरर कि नेगेटिव जीरो एरर बाहरिबो ताले आमे केमती कैलकुलेट करिबा. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ जीरो एरर, पॉजिटिव जीरो एरर हेले लीस्ट काउंट इनटू वर्नियर कोइंसिडेंस, then negative zero error hele n minus bc into lc, where n is the number of divisions on vernier scale. As I already saw, number of divisions on the vernier scale is 0 to 10 divisions. Okay. Let's start the experiment. First column is your number of observation, second is least count, third is MSR, fourth is VC, that is vernier coincidence. Next is your VSR, that is vernier scale reading. By this formula LC into VC, you can find the VSR. Then observed diameter, that should be MSR plus VSR. Here is your D in centimeter, then mean diameter. Okay, let's start. Gently fix the solid cylinder between two jaw of the vernier caliper. Okay, first we know that least count of the vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter. Then next to the MSR, that is main scale reading. What is main scale reading? Observe the main scale reading. The zero division of vernier scale coincide with which number of the main scale, that is your MSR or main scale reading. Here is your main scale reading. Zero number of your vernier scale, that is first number, which you can see 1.1. 1.1. Okay. Let's write down 1.1. Next, we go to the next step. Now look out for the vernier coincidence. Vernier coincidence, as I said, the vernier coincidence is the division of vernier scale coinciding with the division of main scale, that should be called as vernier coincidence. Now you saw, here is your vernier coincidence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is your 5 number vernier divisions are coinciding with the main scale of the vernier calipers. So you have to write down the number of vernier coincidence is 5. Then next is your VSR, that should be LC into VC, that should be 0.01 into 5 is equal to 0.05 centimeter. Then observed diameter MSR plus VSR, that should be 1.1 plus 0.05, that is 1.15 centimeter. As it is the similar process, we take 5 different positions on the cylinder. At each position, we take MSR and VC independently. Note down all the readings in the observation table. Okay. Observation table for measuring height of the solid cylinder. We can find the solid cylinder height. Okay. Next, gently we fix the solid cylinder between two jaw of the slide caliper. So first we write down the number of observations, at least 5. Then next is least count. Least count, as you already known, 0.01 centimeter. Okay, next is your MSR, that is main scale reading. As I already said, in the diameter of the solid cylinder, okay, and 0 of the vernier scale is coincide with the main scale, that is, as you can see, 2.5. So let's 2.5. okay. Then next is your vernier coincidence. As I said, vernier coincidence, any division of vernier scale coincide with any division of main scale, that should be called as vernier coincidence. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is your vernier coincidence. Next, we will determine the VSR, that is vernier scale reading, that should be LC into BC, that is least count into vernier coincidence, that is 0.04 centimeter. Next is your observation, observed height, that is MSR plus VSR. 2.5 plus 0.04, that should be 2.54. Here is your observation for height. In similar process, we repeat this procedure in different position of the solid cylinder, and we found the MSR and VC independently. Here is your observation table. As you already see, the readings. Here is 5 readings, as already I have written. Here is your number of observations. Here is your least count. Here is your main scale reading, vernier coincidence. Then is your VSR and observed diameter, and then mean. Mean value ame kemti measure kariba? Mean diameter. Here mean diameter, summation of observed diameter divided by number of observation. That is, आमे जो ऑब्जर्व डायमीटर जति 5टा जंक बाहरी आमे ताको ऐड करिबा एवं डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करिके आमे एठी लिखिबा. कोन पय डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करा गला? बिकॉज 5 ऑब्जर्वेशन आमे नै चंती. काहे कि आमे 5 ऑब्जर्वेशंस नै चंती? बिकॉज 5 ऑब्जर्वेशन एथि लागि नै चंती, आमको जेहेतु आमे नेकेड आय रे देखुचंती, केबे भी हेले आमे परफेक्टली गोटिए मेजरमेंट रे, गोटिए ऑब्जर्वेशन रे आमे परफेक्ट मेजरमेंट पाई परिबा नाही. दैट्स आमे 5 थर बा 10 थर नेले आमे कोन एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू बा एक्यूरेसी, हमर परसेंटेज ऑफ एरर कम आसीबा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज योर टैबुलेशन फॉर मेजरिंग हाइट ऑफ द सॉलिड सिलिंडर. तो हाइट मेजर करिबा. देखो मुझे नहीं नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन 5 ऑब्जर्वेशन. नेक्स्ट इज least count, as you already saw, 0.01 centimeter. Next is your main scale reading, vernier coincidence. Next is your vernier scale reading, observed height h in centimeter, and then is your mean value. You can see here is summation of observed height and divided by 5, which I got 2.55 centimeter, height of the solid cylinder. Okay, we got the value of diameter and height from these tabulations. The next part is your calculation part. Here is your calculation. From the above tabulation, we got diameter of the solid cylinder is D is equal to 1.162 centimeter. And height of the solid cylinder is 2.55 centimeter. Then volume of the solid cylinder, V is equal to pi d square h by 4. Putting the value and we got the answer 2.704 centimeter cube. Here is the unit of volume, always meter centimeter cube. Okay. Next is your conclusion part. What we concluded on this above experiment, the volume of the solid cylinder by using the vernier caliper is 2.704 centimeter you. Okay, thank you.